We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. It's like, no, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Ashley Marie. And we back with another video. And as you can tell by the title, it's a hair tutorial. So, I know what I got. And of course, it's not a letter, it's a package. So, everybody and their mama been getting locks. And I had locks back in December. Some faux locks. I had them back in December. And I was like, they really cute. They was 36 inches. Like, I was rocking them. They was cute. I need to give my hair a little breather. You know, let it breathe. So I did that. But lately, I've been seeing everybody and their mama with locks. And I'm like, I want my locks back. I was really cute with them, and I really want them back. So yeah, that's what we did. Baby. We just got some locks. We just got some locks. We just got some locks. I wonder where it's from. It's like, no, I know where it's from. It's from Amazon. I tried to get it in my hair color, but it's not looking like it's giving my hair color. My hair look a little lighter. Not gonna hold you. But it's whatever. We gonna do what we do. Period. If y'all ain't noticed, I got a big head and my hair is super thick. So I got, hold on, we got gifts here. I got the hair from Amazon from a company called Falame. It says, dear customer, thank you so much for your order, yada, 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 yada. Yeah. So I guess I'll do a little review on the hair too after it's installed. And I'm doing it all on my own. Yes, I am. Came with little rubber bands and a little clippy thing. And a crochet needle. This pack had 4 packs of hair. Oh, and it came with a little thing of things. And then I think I got 2 packs of 4 because, like I said, I have a big head. So I need a lot to fill this head. And I feel like this probably isn't even going to be enough because it never is. I always get less than I need when I'm thinking I have enough to fulfill my... Never mind, because that was just too much to understand. So yeah, this is the hair. We got some more knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone type stuff. Alright, because y'all Joe. All this stuff. Thank you. It's like, no. But, oh my God, I'm really struggling. So this is the hair. As you can see. I'll take it out, let y'all get a little visual or whatever. What is it? Like I told you, I'm a little slow, so hold on. Oh, all right. It do got a little loopy-de-loop. All right, so boom. Ignore how I look. I know I look like a whole guy the way I'm dressed. But this is the hair. I don't know. This don't feel like 36 inches to me, but I guess. I feel like the hair I had last time was longer, and that was 36, but okay. So yeah, this is the hair. I like the color. Last time I had black, so, well, 1B, but y'all get what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna install it tonight, hopefully, if I don't fall asleep. If I fall asleep, that means I'm halfway done, and I'll finish it tomorrow. So, yeah. We about to go through the full process of me washing my hair. As y'all probably didn't know, under the wig, I had flat twists because I can't cornrow to save my life. I had flat twists, so under the wig, that's what I had. And them flat twists been in for a good 2 weeks, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. So it's time for a wash day, deep condition, and all that. So we finna get into that process next. Bye. All right, what's up, everybody? So I'm back. I'm about to make my little deep conditioning serum recipe, whatever. This and this are the main products. And then we have a hair mask, deep conditioning stuff, and then some more conditioner. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, I know I look crazy with my glasses on, but I made the mixture, as y'all can see. I'm about to try this. I heard it was another mixture to use to help decondition, which is like an egg and a mayo type thing. So I might try that too, but I'm not gonna put that in the video because I'm not 100% sure about this. Whereas that deep conditioner, I am sure about. So yeah, right now I'm just cleaning up the mess I made because I made a big mess if y'all ain't see. But yeah, those are the ingredients I use. That's how I make the mixture, and it's supposed to be like this type consistency because again, you're putting it in your hair, and this is gonna be a messy process. So you want a little thickums like that, thicker than a Snicker. But if I hadn't put the conditioner stuff in here, like if I didn't put this and this in here and just stuck with the Aztec clay mask and the apple cider vinegar, I could have also put it on my face because those two together good for skincare and all that. So yeah, I'm about to wash my hair now, and then we'll come back when it's time to deep condition. Bye. All right, y'all, so this is the mayo and egg mix. I am gonna actually put it in the video because it's a part of the process, and I'm gonna be double deep conditioning because I plan on keeping the locks in for a while. Like I really plan on keeping them in for a while. So I figured why not just do both. So this is the mayo and egg mixture. I don't know if you could see it that well. It's sort of a weird consistency. I don't know. I also doubled the recipe because my head is huge. But they said 1 cup of mayo and then 1 egg. I did 2 cups, 2 eggs. This is the Aztec clay mask mixture. I don't measure anything when it comes to that. I just put everything in a bowl and mix. So I think that's enough for my big head. But yeah, so we will check back in when I'm gonna also do them separately. So this wash day is gonna be forever because I want to see the difference that it makes within my hair. So yeah, bye. What's up, y'all? So I washed my hair, and this is my hair in its natural state. I honestly don't know my curl pattern, my type, nothing, because I've had such bad hair history, honestly. So yeah, you can see the damage. Like, ew, my hair is very much damaged, but you know, that's why we did condition, to make it better. So I'm about to, I think I'm gonna do the egg one first because that's not as messy as the Aztec clay mask. So bye. All right, y'all, so my camera cut out in the middle of me doing everything, sadly. But this is the final result. Well, not final result, but this is how I decondition like when I put the product that I'm using to deep condition with, this is how I do it. I put it in, twist my hair up, sit for 30 minutes. So with that being said, I'm going to do exactly that. I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. I'm gonna braid my hair. You're supposed to keep your hair in a not a heated area, but it has to be like compact, and yeah, the hair gurus know, they can explain better. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And instead of being lazy, I'm gonna actually clean up the mess I made, because I made a pretty big mess. Like, it splatters all over the walls, but y'all can't see, and that's okay. So yeah, I will get back to y'all when I get back to y'all. Bye. All right, y'all, I'm back. I finally finished deep conditioning and doing everything else to this crazy mess of a head. Obviously you're not gonna see no major changes to my texture, because this was it wasn't my first time using it, but still, like, I haven't used that deep conditioning method consistently. That's the word I'm looking for, my fault. I haven't used it consistently, so yeah. But I'm going to try, because I need my hair to do something. I'm not trying to cut it again, child. I done went through so much with my hair. But if you can't tell, I'm real tired. I don't know if I'm gonna continue. I might make this a two-parter, make this, you know, this half wash day, and then the next half me showing how I do my faux locks, because I wanted to show y'all, but I'm really tired, and I was going to make this a whole video, but just the wash day took everything out of me, so I might just separate it and everything. But yeah, this is the hair going in my hair. See, don't my hair look a little lighter? I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video if I don't edit. If I don't edit onto here. But yeah, bye.